Hello everyone! If you are looking for a video tutorial about where to find your Shopify store URL, this is the right video for you. Because right now, I am going to show you where are you going to find that. The easiest and most direct way to find your Shopify store URL is through the Shopify dashboard. Upon logging in to your Shopify account, navigate to the online store section on the left-hand side menu and click on Pages. Right here, you can see all the pages that I had created, and I'm just going to select one here and I'm just going to view this page. As you can see here, this is the page that I have created and this is the URL. Let's go back. And now let's proceed with the settings. You just need to click the settings and find the domain right here. After you find the domain, just click that one. Since I am just using a free trial, so I can show you any domain right here. But right here, you will find your primary domain name, which serves as the foundation for your store URL. Additionally, you can also set up custom domains or purchase domain names through Shopify to further enhance your brand's online presence. Once you have located your primary domain name, you can customize it to reflect your brand identity. Shopify allows you to edit the domain name by adding a subdomain or changing the extension. As you can see here, on the left hand side of your screen, you can see the URL of your store, and that's what mine. If you copy that and you paste that, you will find your store using that URL. As you can see, this is my store. That's why one of the tips that I can give or suggest to you, before you create your store, make sure to name your store like, for example store.myshopify.com. And then when you're going to type that, your store will be shown. When selecting or customizing your Shopify store URL, it is important to keep in mind certain tips and best practices to maximize its effectiveness. OPT for a URL that is concise, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid using numbers, symbols, or special characters as they can make your URL more complicated and difficult to remember. Additionally, consider incorporating relevant keywords into your store URL to improve its SEO value and increase organic traffic. Let me show to you what will happen if you type that example store.myshopify.com. So because that's just an example, you won't see any store that exists with that name. But when you enter the valid URL, it will be shown right there. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.